Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to make a beautiful paper snake. For this project, we'll need a black pen and a square sheet of paper. Mine is 15 by 15 centimeters, but you can use any size you like. Just make sure it's perfectly square. Take your paper and fold it diagonally. Unfold, then fold along the other diagonal and unfold again. Fold the bottom corner to the center. Now fold it in half. And then fold it in half again. This will help us make the base creases. Rotate the paper and repeat. 3 folds of the bottom corner in half. Press the folds well. By the way, fun fact, did you know you can't fold a piece of paper more than 7 times in half? You can try it after making this fun craft. Unfold your paper and rotate it so the lines go from top to bottom. Repeat. Bottom corner to the center, then fold in half and in half again. I bet you won't guess what we'll do next. Pause the video and write your guess in the comments. Now rotate again and repeat 3 folds in half. Finally, we're done with the creases. Let's start assembling. Slightly open the center of the paper as shown in the video. Fold the bottom tip upward. Lift the bottom right corner upward, but press only the lower part so we can make an angle later, as shown in the video. Do the same on the left side. On the other side of the paper, gently fold it in half, but not all the way. This forms the snake's head. Now lift the body from the bottom along the line, as shown in the video, and make a curve. Press the fold well and tuck it inside so the snake can jump higher. Repeat these curves all the way down. Press all folds well and do a test jump. Wow, look how nicely it jumps. Our snake is almost ready. We just need to draw the eyes. And that's it. Our craft is ready. I wish you lots of creative inspiration and see you soon on our channel.